Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use WhatsApp on your computer. WhatsApp can be used on your Windows computer to send messages, share files, and stay connected without using your phone constantly. It syncs your chats from your phone so you can continue conversations seamlessly. Setting it up is quick and easy using either the desktop app or a web browser. To begin, open a web browser or download the app. You can use the WhatsApp desktop or access WhatsApp web. Go to WhatsApp web if using browser. Visit the official WhatsApp web page. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Launch WhatsApp on your mobile device. Access linked devices. Tap the three dots or go to the settings on iPhone. Then select Link Devices. Tap Link a device. This will open your phone's camera scanner. Scan the QR code. Point your phone at the QR code displayed on your computer. Wait for sync. Your chats will automatically load on your computer. Start a conversation. Click on any chat to open it. Send messages. Type in the message box and press enter. Send files. Click the attachment icon to share photos, videos, or documents. Use emojis and stickers. Access them from the message bar for more expressive chats. Manage notifications. Allow or customize desktop notifications for new messages. Log out when needed. Use the menu to log out from your computer. Keep your phone connected. Ensure your phone stays connected to the internet for proper syncing. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.